Hi guys, and welcome back to another video by yours truly, CPC Zinyati. And today I'm not alone, you guys. I'm with yes, guys, and she's my friend. She's not new to the channel, but before we get into the nitty-gritty of the introductions, I want to explain the video. As you might have already seen by the title of the video, today we're going to be doing the best or worst experience, which is obviously inspired by Mihlali Ndamase. Yay. So basically the rules of the game is I'm going to ask her questions based on worst experience.
We're both going to answer.
Yes, but we're both going to take turns answering those questions. So yeah, man, but before we get into the video, do you want to introduce yourself?
I am Wanele Nogwaza. You guys can go to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
At Wanele Nogwaza on IG. It's Wanele_in, both actually IG and TikTok. It's Wanele_. And yeah, man, we here, Sana.
Yes, go.
God is
glam.
God is no business.
Yes.
Okay, on my business account, it's goddess_glam 03 on Instagram, both on Instagram and TikTok. Yes, and I come by here. Do your thing.
Exactly. So you guys, as we're shooting my video, after we're done, we're going to shoot a video for her channel as well. So after watching this, please make sure you go check out her channel, which is again Wanele_in.
Yeah, Sana. We're also having wines.
Always. Cling, cling.
Alright.
So you guys, as I've already explained in the video, so basically we're going to be asking questions, best and worst experiences, and we're both going to take turns answering those questions. So are you ready for the first question? So the first question: what is your best and worst experience with friends?
Ooh, Sana. Okay, the best experience, I feel like all of my friends currently have been the best of friends. Like, yes, we've had like our ups and downs and all of that. But see, you guys love
Chef's
them
kiss.
Loads.
Chef's kiss.
But yeah, man, when it comes to my friends right now, I think you guys are the best.
But what would you say is the best experience with being with your current friends?
What is it? I don't know. Like, whenever we're together, I feel like
it's the best.
That is the best time ever. I forget about my problems. Whenever we're together, guys, literally. And then, okay, the worst one, I had this friend.
Name drop.
Name
drop. Okay, I'm joking.
No,
yeah,
I can't do that.
Okay.
But I had this friend in high school, and
do I know him or her?
I think you do know her.
Okay.
But see, Nanga tried it.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, the girl used to be very offish, like at some point it was my birthday and I came to school, obviously.
So I know who you're talking about.
I don't think you know her, like that the tall one, because there were two of them.
No.
Yes, that one. So we used to be very close.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I come to school. It's my birthday. I'm expecting. Expecting her to say happy birthday to me. And girl is like, I'm not gonna say happy birthday. And she didn't say happy birthday on my birthday. Yes, I was actually heartbroken because you're my friend.
You guys are close.
Exactly. Yes. She was like, I'm not gonna say happy birthday, unless you bring cake. And I was like, you are so bitter. Like, that girl was so bitter.
Unless you bring cake.
Yes.
What if
not that well, cake?
Exactly. I was about to ask, what if I can't afford
and then what's going to happen? So yeah, girl was like, no, I'm I'm not gonna say happy birthday. I was watching like Sasa when I brought cake. Cause really I was going to bring cake for my friends.
Lying.
I did. I was like, okay, here's your cake. Cause we're gonna nabani vele cake that I'm like other classmates that I was close with. And I was obviously gonna bring for them. Imagine nigga had I actually brought it for the others. It didn't. I was like, Asana, not cake lako.
Are you mad? And
that girl was bitter, and that was not the only thing she had done.
Well, I'm sick of like, why the hell would you ask for a cake on my birthday?
But it was like back in, should I say the grade?
Yes, say it.
Grade
those who know
8, if not 9. But yeah.
But still, like, what mentality do you have?
I was like, I can't keep on living like this. Like it's always like So no, shame. She was
sad and bad because we did become close. Shame, me and I.
Really?
Yeah, I don't remember. No. We did become close, but. Now, why should you guys work? Because I was friends with her, I was friends with you. So why should I go to and I'm like, guys, in game motion to the school. So I'm still getting to know everyone. I'm not gonna stop knowing someone or getting to know someone just because when you had a big suspense. You understand what it look at where we are now. I understand. So imagine if I had listened to her.
Sana.
Yeah.
And I'm like, this girl was a what pizza.
For me, my best. I feel like it's gonna be the same as you. Like I feel like now I'm at a point where I'm with friends where we like understand each other. Yes, we have our days, we're not perfect, you guys. But I feel like our experiences are the same in a way. And our friendship, guys, like the whole friendship group or friendship circle is like so wholesome because we are there for each other, good times and bad times. It's not
always about like good times.
Good times, like I can literally call you and be like, "Girl, as nampu." Dollar plan. Exactly. You understand, and I feel like that's the best part about it. I can be myself and not think too much into it. My worst experience. My worst experience.
Why do I feel like I know who you're going to say?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna say that. Oh shit. Should I talk about it?
If you're ready to talk about it, but
my worst experience was with this friend. You guys were really close. Like our friendship was good while it lasted, but I feel like I've worked being in a relationship with platonic or not. I've worked in a relationship with someone who is insecure about everything, whether it's about themselves, other people, and stuff. And no one who's like possessive to some extent, and I feel like that was the worst experience with that person. They were very like insecure and very possessive. So basically it was a situation of it's either you my friend or because I'm like I'm a person who's very like real. You understand, but
you can't expect me to be your
only friend only like, yes, we would be with my other friends off and I'm like what the heck and stuff, and so I would say that was the best, the worst experience I've had in friendships. Almost possessive, shame, and insecure. That time, my love, even now, shame, if you're watching this, because you probably know yourself, I still love you because I'm saying this now because our breakup wasn't the best because like nothing was said, but like the love is still there, but I just needed you to love yourself enough to be able to love other people, basically.
Do you think if
sure, but now it would take time because I would want to see like the change. It has to be consistent. 2, 3, I feel like you do owe some people apologies, to be quite honest.
Roddy!
Okay, that was deep.
That
was deep. Okay, so we both have businesses, right? So I had to ask this. What has been your best and worst experience dealing with a client?
The best is obviously having a client who does not complain and definitely coming back. That means you're doing well. The fact that you're coming back to me,
yes.
it really does mean a lot to me. So those are the best experiences for me. Experiences. And then with the worst, hey, child. Ndamase ngakwazi ukusipha la.
Why? No,
like
you have to
nothing.
answer.
It wasn't something bad, but like this girl came to me with a weave. Actually, it was the day yakhumbula ngale kathi ngivakashela ekhaya and then ngahamba ngalola
yes,
and then ngazunywa ugel ngize ngifonela ngitshela ukuthi okay, there's this girl who wants me to install her. Inywele zakhe, they were not ready. Like I need time when it comes to hair. Like I wanna straighten it properly.
And you do say in your business page,
I do, and I always do that. Uguti, Sana, bring your hair the day before so that I can lungisa it, and then ufike wena ngakusasa usuzo install mhlawumbe ungafika namhlanje ebusuku and then the following morning uzobe sezi ready for inwele zakho. Okay, fine. Gela fike angincengeke athi you my only hope in nana. My goodness. Angincengeke athi you my only hope. Methi ngiyawubuka leso khona is so thick. You see those laces laba bahamba kanje la.
Yes.
Besides like uqina kwawo, but like there's no hair here. It's just lace. I've never worked with uleso kanjalo.
Yes.
Okay, fine. And then okay, ngiwubuke lo lace. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna
try.
Because business is all about yes.
Yes.
I do that. I apply glue. Ilale futhi install yakhe iphuma kahle. The following day, ngimtshele ngathi mina sisi, I've never worked with uleso so my bad. But ngamlalisa felt like it was so good. The following day she texts me. She's like, girl, the lace is lifting. And I'm like, how is it my problem? I've never had anyone meaning I'm installer. It's mina. The following day, even worse, it's like the lace is lifting. So she was like, oh, get me now. You know what? I'm just gonna give you back your money. And then came the day of the baby shower. I think that was in the baby shower. And then ngikhebela uManta la ngithi manje sekuvesana kwenze ku 1 or 2 or 3. And then uManta athi hayi ungayibuyiseli leyo mali uyakuhlangela loyo. You did your work, and I was like, that was my first ever bad experience with a client when it comes to my business. So yeah.
And what if you're not to look like girl or lift this
exactly? I was like,
and you've already said your
but
best.
luckily she never really took it to your social media or WhatsApp.
Yes,
I think that's my worst fear when it comes to my business. Someone going out there and bashing my business.
God, you have to be ready for it, especially
once
you start scrolling.
But like, I don't think I'd ever. I wouldn't.
And you've already said your best. My best experience. So, I do fast food. So, and I'm located. Yes, if you're around Adams, following.
Everything is available.
Yes. So yes, Ngilai Adams, and it's sort of like a rural area. So this client or customer once came to me and was like, thank you for actually opening your business and stuff, because I was able to as now my cost cards and stuff. So sometimes we are seeing and stuff, and now we have in that because it was so heartwarming and go back home dad, I understand. And I was like, okay, at least I'm doing something. It was sort of like an encouragement. My worst experience.
I want to hear this.
My worst experience was, and guys, actually I learned, especially if a business is you can't complain about prices and tell me whatever it is that I'm offering to you. Like for example, wine the muntu came to order wakompeta ngama-prize. Okay, fine. Sisemakhaya, so I'm bringing ama-services angekho to you. Ngiyangani your order and stuff. Ngistokha kanjani, you understand? Point number 1. Point number 2, okay, fine, so completely I've dealt with that. I'm giving you uzongitshela my portions on website. Who are you to tell me that? Like, honestly, you don't have a right to do that. If you want to support a business, support it. If you don't want,
go elsewhere.
It's your right. Exactly. If you're not happy with my, like, go somewhere else. You are allowed to. So I feel like if you're someone who stop it. Awazi what it takes to stock up. Awazi what it takes to keep that business running. And at the current moment, like I have to wash and I'm still looking to grow. I have to save up and stuff. So I have to take into consideration a profit, not just bringing the service to you. You understand? So yeah.
But people will forever complain, eh?
Forever.
And it's so annoying, Bana.
Forever. Okay, next one. What was your best or worst experience with a lockdown?
Lockdown, like the 2020 lockdown.
Yes, 2020 lockdown.
Okay, one, I know this might sound, but I got to spend time with my mother. That was the best one. Because it was like, so I got to spend that time with her, like, and then like, about like 3-4 years with her, you know. So I think that was the best for me. I also got to find myself, self introspect actually. So yeah, I think especially because I was still in grade 11, right? Yes. So I think that for me was the best.
Yes.
The worst. Which one? No, I'm joking. I didn't know how to make that. But yeah, I think I'll go. I don't know. But yeah, man. The worst. What was the worst thing about being... Funda. The only challenge was Funda online. That was the worst. But it was the best. It was the best.
Like for my test, because I
we didn't have a test.
We would no good. Did you join the video call? There was this one time we had a business. Oh no. Shit!
No, we had a business studies.
No, because I test business studies. Yeah, business studies, and then that video call you guys. So while we were writing, I answered through a video call.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, my best experience was spending time with family because I had just moved to Durban, moved in with my mom, and so like we spent the guys like imagine like as stupid as that sounds, you guys, it was so nice. Imagine playing mastozi to your mom and your brothers and stuff. So it was nice, and we also had because we had eco fifi, so whatever alcohol that we had eco fifi babula, so we had plenty of alcohol. We had plenty of alcohol, so that was the best experience of spending time with my family, and I feel like we grew so much as a family and we got to know each other on a deeper level because we always have people over. I'm sure you've noticed. So that was the only time, not only because even then we had people staying here, but it was a first time where we were together for the longest time and we could pretty much do anything we wanted. My worst experience would have to be the lockdown itself, shame. It was the worst experience. I mean, like, I like my own space and now being with people 24/7 and it's like like I want to get out, I want to take a walk, I want to eat, understand.
Especially
I feel
exactly.
And at the time, so imagine all of us squashed in one. So Nje was being endaweni eyodwa for isikhathi eside. It has to be my worst experience. And I think I even posted about it at some point. I was like, okay, I want to go out. Okay, next question. What has been your best and worst experience on a date or dating in general? On a date or dating in general.
How do you expect me to answer that?
What do you mean? What do you mean? You've dated.
Ngizokubamba.
Oh my God. What the heck?
The worst. What if these people watch your channel?
So what? Bazwe begeza nabazange sisho sikhuluma ngabo.
The worst, but I want to have one dating experience.
No.
A dating experience.
Pela dating is like yes, situationships. Yes, that's dating. Your talking stages, your situationships, your white not stand, whatever it is. What has been your best or worst experience?
The best one was with
yeah. I'm thinking, yes, what has been your best experience? I hope you're not gonna talk about the person I'm thinking you're gonna talk
Which
about.
one? Who? No.
Okay, what? I hope I saw it. What has been your worst or best?
Okay, the best one was with the twin.
Where have you? Was the worst?
Where have you? The best.
Oh, I was about to say you were your happiest.
Nobody knows me like you do. No, like we connected on it.
You were so happy. You were so happy.
We planned, but God decides.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was the best one. It was really okay.
What was best about it? Like you all like.
I don't want to get into detail.
Why not? We want to know. We need context. Like.
Keep us in the channel.
Is it?
But the best part was we related to so many things.
Okay.
In terms of grief.
Mm-hmm.
And he was willing, not even willing, he was so loving. Like when I say loving, I mean loving. Sana. Yeah, he was into it. Even now, he texts me and says, I still love you, Sana, but can't. How can I?
You still can't because of that situation that we spoke about, or
no, because of that situation, it's
too deep for you.
Too deep for me. I can't take it.
Okay.
But ngabe mina wami Nkosi yami ngabe sesishadile.
Twin, if you watching.
Twin, have you been?
Okay.
But the worst one, it's obvious. Lunch bar.
Talk about it.
No, I just.
But it wasn't your worst, Wanil. It wasn't.
But I've also never had like the worst than that one.
Okay.
So.
Do you want to tell people why it was your worst? Okay. But guys,
it's obvious. It's the cheating. It's the normal stuff.
Okay, so your worst experience dating was umuntu lying to you, basically. Yes, they were inconsistent. They were liars, and there was this one situation we can't talk about that was brought to surface.
Yeah. Moving to you. Ufuna ungikhiphe indaba nayo ngikhiphe indaba ku channel yakhe. Uzokubamba.
Mina my best my best or worst experience. My best experience. My best experience.
Think about it.
My best, and I'm really gonna think, hey, cause
think long and hard.
I haven't been that lucky, but my best experience. My best experience, it was the best because I feel like out of all my relationships or situationships with dating, maybe in the relationship I didn't really feel like it, but I'm only realizing now, Woody, I genuinely felt like I do feel the love. I was appreciated, I was respected to some degree. So, and my mom is watching. I want to speak on this, but now my mom is watching.
No, talk about it.
I was
Zali is on order.
blind. I was still in high school, and this person was a bit older. So this person was a bit older. So yeah, but like I genuinely felt the love and stuff. But I found out after the relationship that the person was cheating throughout the relationship.
Why
like what the heck? Why? What the heck? But now I'm calling. Hey. But yeah, sure. At least in the relationship, I didn't get to notice that. I didn't know and stuff. So I'm gonna say that was the best. Relationship.
It was good while it lasted.
It was good while it lasted. Yeah. So I hope it makes sense because I feel like I'm just rambling or trying to put pieces together. What was my worst experience? What was my worst experience? Someone. Like trying to do a couple things on the first date, basically.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's
crazy. How
like what the heck? What do you mean? First date. And guess what?
No. Don't tell me you.
I gave in, but it wasn't like sex or anything, you guys. But man, trying to do intimate stuff on the first date, and I gave in, but I was young, naive, and probably stupid at the time. So yeah. What is next question? What has been your best and worst experience meeting a celebrity?
Woo! Well, I wouldn't say they're celebrities, but like they're YouTubers. It's this famous.
So you've never. Oh, that situation you're gonna talk about, you wouldn't say, but I must say that, but influencers. Okay. Yeah.
Influencers, YouTuber.
Potato.
Son, 609. But like, the worst one, I was at King Shaka. I was going to Joburg. K5.
Oh, gentleman influence? Because I want to have an idea.
I don't know if you know that, but like it's a YouTube couple, and I don't think you watch YouTube couples.
China. No, I don't. Okay, yeah, you met this couple.
But yeah, so I met them at the.
Oh, I know this couple.
Lapo, I've been watching them since lockdown.
You guys.
So can you imagine how disappointed I was?
Yes.
Okay, I'm waiting on my boarding gate. I'm waiting with this board.
Yes.
No, it wasn't something deep, but like getting happened because I was sitting next to this other girlie and we were having conversations. She was also going to Joburg. They come, I turn my head, I'm like, Ibo, Kanjan Manje. People have been watching for like 4 years.
Yes,
I'm excited.
So when was this last year?
Yes, it was last year, August. Yes, actually around these times.
It's been a year.
It's been a year. Oh my goodness.
Yes. How am I?
Sorry. Yes. But it's them. Okay. should I get up, go greet them? The mother, it was looking like she was looking for a boarding gate, boarding gate. Okay. Hey, I greet. Like a wave, I greet. Sanbona!
Yeah.
Okay. Girl is like, I'm not having this.
Yeah.
And then guy is like, that guy, this guy, one this. But I was so disappointed because you guys are a couple. I'm obviously waiting for okay.
Yes.
You know, we didn't expect to because you know
40 it's obvious when
how you know, hey, how are you? Because is it because Zulu, you know? And maybe they were also having a bad day. Well, she was having it because it was a she. The guy was, you know, that guy was okay and he was really sweet. I was so disappointed. I was like, oh, girl, I never expected it from you.
When's that game?
Busy looking around. And I'm like, okay, Usanbona is not going to hurt you.
Yeah.
Wave and then go back to whatever you were looking for. But yeah, that is what actually happened. I was disappointed. So if you guys are watching this, no one has us because you're going to
So basically, you met the couple.
I met them.
You tried to greet and you didn't receive the energy you were expecting from
especially from a girl, because I'm obviously looking up to Girl at that time. It was someone that I really looked up to.
Do you still watch them?
No.
Do you still follow them?
No.
Would you work with them now that you're a YouTuber and stuff?
Why?
I want to know. It's not like they'll ever know, but I want to know, would you work with them?
Yeah, maybe if it's like a same campaign type of thing. But can we sit like this and collaborate? No.
Would you remind them of the situation?
I would tell it. You should see. I met you guys at so and so, and this happened, and maybe I was overthinking, but I wasn't overthinking. You could have said hi, you know, because I said it loudly. And I think the guy opened because he has okay.
Influence, yes,
you know. So I really don't know, hey.
And your best?
Yeah, my best.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been meeting. One thing about me, I've been meeting all my favorite people. So with all of them,
name one experience you can talk about that was the best, like top tier.
Sure. They're all YouTubers, and because I watch a lot of YouTube. Yeah, it has to be. Can I name two? Okay.
Yeah, you can.
It has to be Ndamase, as well as Amy Thompson. Okay, back on. Oh no, not a YouTuber, but like
but she a celebrity. Okay,
not celebrity,
but
she's also
well-known.
she is
yes.
well known. But yeah, those are my.
What would you say was best about meeting them?
Oh man, they're so kind. They were so kind. Like when I met them, I was like, okay, I noticed you. And they were like, let me follow you on Instagram. I'm like, oh, Sada, I'm not gonna say no. Here's my phone.
Yes.
As well as Tanda, because I met her twice.
Yes.
So can you imagine? I met her at Eden, and I also met her at there's this place next to Herb Life on Florida. Is it Herb Life? Yes. Said Duze, not Herb Life.
Yeah, more Herb Life.
It said Duze, because I Herb Life. Yeah. And yeah, man, they're so kind. They're like, they would never say you like,
yeah.
So yeah. Or as well as Lisa. Nothing second.
Best.
Those were the best for me. Because I hate to want to so to get away down reach me for
I understand being like a public. I hope you never like live to regret this. But I believe as a public figure you should be like men don't understand what way public figure
even on bad days.
So so you have to understand.
To take a picture if you don't feel like it.
But have that decency of being able to communicate with abantu abakusupportayo because to be told you never make it as a public figure without the people who support you and follow you. So when you act bougie, seek approaches like, what do you mean? So my best experience was with, and I'm gonna say it, DJ Zinhle.
Oh, you was DJ Zinhle?
I have.
Oh,
it was
bestie.
my best.
Hope you're watching this.
Yeah,
Let's invite her
please
next year.
Easy Nation or
Please,
what?
we
Anything. Like, it was my best. Like, I've met so many celebrities, guys, but that one
She topped it.
Yeah, because where's the perform at Eco she always will perform at Eco and wa figure 5, you guys, 5 a.m. and she had so many gigs that day. Yes.
Is it like 5 a.m.?
She had so many gigs that day. I was following her throughout the day because I knew she was eventually coming to our place. So I was following. She had so many gigs, you guys, but she got there and she performed. She got there, she performed. Mind you, did I sing when she knew it's 5 a.m. After performing, she still made time to take pictures with each and every one of us. I had a book and I asked her to sign it. She literally wrote a messaging and signed it. You understand? So, which means she was probably tired. I knew she was tired, but she made time for Abantu Abamlandelayo. One, her performance, she was gigging the entire day. And guess what? The next day, they post the girl.
A girl.
I was like, what do you mean? Like, it was.
Man.
I was so grateful for that experience. I was like, it was so nice. Yeah, that was my best experience.
And bestie, because
if you haven't seen all DJs perform, make a plan. Plan. You need to see that woman perform. Trust me.
She's so humble. She still is humble.
She was so nice. Even her brothers, her sisters, because why is in no they were so nice, guys. And tonight I guess I see at the stage because so just spending time with them, it was so nice. It was my best experience. My best experience. I want to name this celebrity, but I won't because I still want to work with them. But it was. I'm but do you watch a Skim Sam?
No.
But yes, after. So I was in Cape Town. Cape Town, is it waterfront or Vienna? Say waterfront, yeah, waterfront. I don't know waterfront or Vienna, but waterfront, I think. And we're walking there, and it's corner the wheel, people playing music and stuff, and I'm walking, and I see this woman. She's a woman, and personally, guys, I don't watch that show. Should I name it? I don't watch that show.
Okay, you can name it because they're not gonna know what's going on.
So, Skim Sam, but there's only one.
Well, we didn't specify. We'll see.
Okay, but it was a Skim Sam, guys, and this person will say waterfront. And I'm like, wow, like, and yes, we Skim Sam, but I know the characters because sometimes we are and I recognized her. If you're a celebrity, whether I follow you or not, I'm gonna approach you. And I was like, hi. It was the same situation. I was so starstruck. I was like,
why did you say that now?
Oh, sorry.
You were starstruck.
I was starstruck, and I was like,
which is valid, guys.
I was like, hi. Mind you, I'm 14 at the time, guys, so I'm this short. You can tell. Why should I'm guessing it was her daughter or something. She runs away. She runs away, you guys, and I'm like, what the heck? I'm like, what the? Why
wasn't she being racist?
And I would understand. I don't understand. I would understand I'm going and game dollar and it's like and you with your daughter. I would understand, guys. This is South Africa can go so you can never be too sure. But I was like, wow. And she ran away. no high. At least I know you got a high bag or from one person or whatever. And ingane I say confused because I'm na yeah kitchen young and I'm like, hi bo girl, like where's part? Exactly. I'm this short, you guys. And the worst part is I don't even follow her. I don't like her like that.
You just saw someone notice
yes, and I was like, disappointment came from, like, even if you weren't a celebrity, you don't do that as a normal human being, just in general. If someone greets you, greets back. If they make conversation and you don't want to engage in that conversation, say, I don't feel like engaging in a conversation with you. Keep it moving. Start running away. It's like, but shame, I girl because she's actually really big. She's really big in the industry. Like,
I'm curious.
She's always been it's cat shout out after. She's really big in the acting industry. Like, she has, what can I say it? She does a workshop and stuff. Yo, I feel like I'm giving this person away. But she's really big in the industry, especially in Cape Town. So I'd really love to work with. I still love to work with her, but I shame on her. Next question: what has been your best or worst experience drinking? With alcohol, whatever.
I'm kind of on that best experience with when it comes to alcohol.
Yes.
Alright.
My best. Okay, sorry. What do you mean?
Okay.
You always have a good time when you drink. That is.
Oh, I'm trying. Okay, I'm thinking of the worst. Sorry. Okay, the worst one. Drunk calling.
Really?
I used to be a drunk caller.
Really?
I used to be a drunk. Trust. Yo, trust me, you Sana. I used to drunk call or drunk text, and then I would wake up the following morning, cringing. Like, did I do that? And then it started happening. You go to cake, kula manch, kula sis.
What I'm Okay, what was that?
But like I did, and then I vented into that person, and then the indaba got into the actual person.
Really? So that's why it's your worst experience.
Yeah.
Because what I'm calling and then they told the person you were venting about. Shit, that's crazy. Do you still talk to this person?
I do.
Why?
Fella, I can't say this on camera.
Guys,
no, like we talk ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngatshela wena wedwa kodwa manje sengiyazi wena wahamba wayothutha. I never confronted that person about it, but it's fine. Then my best okay, once ngifundile ukuyicontrola when drinking, so I think that's the best for me. Whenever I'm with my friends, man, I also drink alone when I'm alone. Glass of.
I thought you were gonna say your best experience was your birthday last year.
Specific event.
Yes, like what has been your best experience?
Yeah, that was fun. But the setting,
you didn't like it.
I think one thing I've realized about me, I'm not a fan of clubs. It was a great experience, trust me, but I don't think it's my type of place. I know it's what's clubbing or anything. No, I'm just not a fan of clubs. Like, take me to restaurants.
I'm a club girl. Pela
is excited. It's a second location club.
Yes.
But I just don't think it's my favorite place to be.
Okay.
You know.
Best experience again.
Best experience. It was my birthday, but yeah.
Okay. Best experience drinking your birthday last year. Yeah. If you wanna know, watch my vlog.
Person type of vibe. I prefer being indoors, if not like a restaurant club. Yes. The club.
So if you wanna see her best experience, you can watch it on my channel, you guys. I have a vlog of her birthday last year. My best or worst experience drinking. My worst experience, I'm gonna say it was my first time going to a club, remember? In grade 11. Was it grade 11 or grade 10? 12. You know, I'm getting
Hamba.
video. You know it. Okay,
yeah.
I'll show you after. But yeah, you guys, it was my first time going to a club, and I got so
Sloshed.
drunk. I got so drunk. I got so drunk to a point where I don't remember that night. Like, the only thing I remember was me getting to the place. What happened after getting to the place? I'd be lying. And I'm saying it was the worst experience because anything could have happened. Guys, luckily I had my brothers with me and stuff, but I don't think I ever wanna ever see myself like that ever again. Sorry.
But look at where my glass is.
That was the worst experience, guys, because I was so drunk to a point and like I don't remember anything. There's pictures of me in little panting. I'm a parking lot. There's a video of me being like by my brothers and my friends and stuff. Like if you know me, you know I can handle my alcohol. Like I can drink for days on end. But that day I don't.
We cannot talk about something. If you still do it now, then it's like you grow now.
Yeah.
You cannot be
that was the
held
worst.
like this.
But something you wanna Nelo, my lights. I'm joking, guys. And guys, no recording anybody. But I am I'm a light on yeah, that was the situation. My best experience drinking. I feel like I'm gonna be biased because when I'm repeating that question, I'm repeating your answer.
It's okay.
But I feel like my birthday this year was my best experience drinking. I feel like that day I got drunk to a point clapping, but I was able because I was able to handle myself.
Yes.
Like I remember everything that happened that day, but I remember what I was drunk.
You remember.
But I was drunk.
The ghetto sana, the ghetto.
But like I was drunk to a point where I felt so. Guys, I was so happy. Guys, I can never thank you enough. The thing you did for me this year can never be undone, you guys. Like I feel like that was the best experience drinking. Like I had a good time. Ngaze ngagibela imoto, guys.
And I'm like,
that's when I knew I was having a good time.
But it was one of the best days.
It was shame that day, despite the ending of the night. That day was nice, you guys. And I'm so sad because vlog I couldn't show the actual day because I didn't know what they're gonna do that thing for me. So I I wasn't planning on vlogging and stuff. Guys, go watch it. It's short on Impala, but go watch the vlog.
I also did vlog on your blog, so
watch my vlog,
channel.
Watch her channel. It was the best. Guys, can it be my birthday every day?
Again,
that day was the best. Okay, next question. What has been your best and worst experience on a vacation?
The best was obviously exploring Ndamase. I think being on vacation is always nice. Like you get to see new places, you get to meet new people, if I may say so.
Yes.
Nothing really much, but like exploring. Not a new city, but it's a city here in South Africa. You've never been on the other side of that city. And then the worst, I really can't say this on camera for real.
Do I know about it?
You know about it.
Oh, I know. Okay. My best experience traveling. Vacation. For me, I feel like the road trip when you're taking a vacation is always the best part for me with my family because it is the best.
Like road tripping
good
music
is the
while you guys are
best.
drinking.
It is the best. Like,
Get you.
my family and I will make the best out of a road trip. We will make the best. So I feel like whenever you take a vacation, the road trip is always the best.
It is.
It's always the best. But just for experience, I'm gonna say my best experience was at Paul Petersburg. There's this place called Paul Petersburg. If I had you guys, it's like it's a resort or but they have so many things available on sites that you don't even need to go out of the place. So you just
like everything is
inside. Like literally, they have so much to offer. So if you're in Freiheit or whatever, I'll try looking for the place and maybe link it on the description box or put it down below. That place, especially if it's either as a couple or with your family, it's the best place. Trust and believe. My worst experience. What would I say? My worst experience again. It was in Cape Town. I was
because I'm Cape Town.
I was home on the last day. Even I was so homesick, and I was with my family. But I feel like, as I said, I don't like change. I don't like change. So I feel like it's because I was in a different environment for the longest. Because I was in a different environment for the longest time, I got homesick. I was homesick literally the whole drive back home. I was vomiting and sleeping.
Really?
Yes.
You also get motion sick.
Motion sickness, yes. But that day I was homesick, you guys. I was like, because as soon as we got to Durban, like literally as soon as we got to PMB, because we got a PMB, the minute we got to PMB, guys, I'm saying it right, because I saw familiar places. Immediately as I saw Ilibati Mall, I was like, okay, I'm safe. So that was the best and worst experience. What has been your best and worst experience of your birthday? I feel like you've already mentioned this.
My birthday. Oh, okay. I think it's more okay. Okay, Bangaga. The best one. Okay, but my best ones, I'm gonna name three.
Yes.
Definitely my sweet 16 and my 21st.
You look like you had fun.
Did I had fun on my sweet 16? I also had fun on my 21st. My worst birthday was when I had to spend it without. It for me, the 21st was the best, but also the worst because it was my first time spending a birthday without my mother. So can you imagine? I'm having fun, but at the same time,
you had to.
If I got to
especially because it's 21.
21.
I get
so
it.
Can you imagine? So yeah, I think for me those were the worst and best.
But at least you got to
these people
emotions in one day.
Yeah. But these people threw a real good party for me, Sana.
My best experience on my birthday. It has to be the surprise party. It has to this year. It has to be like you guys. Nothing can top it. I was gonna say my 14th because we went to Cape Town for my birthday, but comparing it to my surprise party, no.
Sana, being in Cape Town is huge.
That's why I'm
huge. You can say both.
Both. I feel like traveling to Cape Town for my birthday and my surprise party, but like my surprise party, you guys was best. Because the reason why I'm saying my surprise party, we went to Cape Town for a family vacation. It just happened that so it was like killing two birds with one stone. So why I'm saying a surprise party is because you know, I like to be in control of everything.
Oh, one thing I was paying.
I like to be in control of everything. So, in as much as I've always liked the idea of a surprise party, I've always been like, never throw a surprise party for me because you will never be able to please me or do it the way I'd want to. And you guys did that, which goes to show with you guys.
Mantoa.
Exactly.
If you're watching.
Like, which goes to show with you guys pay attention when we speak or whatever and stuff. And because you guys executed everything to the T. Like, I don't even think even I myself would have thrown myself in danger, especially this year. So yeah, my worst, I feel like my 16th and my sweet 16.
Really?
Yes, because I missed 2 birthday celebrations. So for me, like, all my birthdays are celebrated like high. So for my sweet 16, I wanted something big. And something big, something Beyonce. So my family and I agreed with I'm not gonna have any celebrations for 2 years so I can get what I want for my sweet 16. And when the day came, that wasn't the situation.
Damn,
you understand?
That's crazy.
Like, it was big. Trust me, my sweet 16 was big, but it wasn't what I wanted basically. Yeah. So for me, that was the worst. And then what made it even worse was when I found out my aunt was willing to compensate for that, and people didn't allow it. And I was like, what the heck? But okay, that was the worst birthday experience. So yeah, you guys, we've come to the end of the video. It was so nice. Thank you so much for gracing my channel with your presence, my babe.
It was nice being here, Sana. It was nice. Thank you for having me. Always. I enjoyed. It was nice.
Always.
It was nice.
Did you enjoy the questions?
I did. Very challenging. They required me to open up about certain stuff. Is it easy to write thing I caught? So yes,
it was refreshing to relive the moment.
Damn, you have me thinking.
And we also discovered new things about each other.
Exactly. We didn't know about each other. Yes. So yes, it was definitely worth my time. So.